So, welcome to the magic world of Vedic mathematics. Now, why do keep on focusing on every single word? Why do I call it as magic? Because whatever concepts we have done of mathematics till now, they were lengthy, they were time consuming. But here, when we will do the same questions in a very faster manner, very simple manner, so that will be like a magic, right? So Vedic mathematics, it makes our mathematics basically magical, right? Because it becomes so simple, so clear, so efficient, so fast that we call it as a magic. Yes,
Yes,
Sudeep,
sir.
you can also switch on your video because then you'll be not okay. So very first thing is pat yourself. Now, why do I say pat yourself, congratulate yourself? Because you have taken the first step towards learning of Vedic mathematics. Whenever we decide something to do, whenever we do something positive, always thank God for it. And a very simple way is to congratulate yourself, right? Because you have taken it. Otherwise, you might have been thinking this for long, or you might have prolonged it again. I'll give you a very simple example. Now, every new year, we make some resolutions. Yes.
Yes,
But what happened? On the first of morning, we plan, let's not do it today. We'll start it from some other day. Throughout the year, we keep on making a resolution. Yes, this new year, I'll start with meditation. I'll start with yoga. I'll start with something constructive. I'll start something. But the very first morning, we say, oh, let's leave it. Let's do it from next day. Does that next day comes ever?
no,
No.
sir.
Now, why this is there? Because see, every positive thought in your life, whenever you take a positive thought, there is always a doubt associated with it. The same thing, if you would have thought, okay, I'll go for a movie, you will never miss it. The first morning, you'll go for it. I'm not saying going to a movie is not good. But if your mother, father might have told you, okay, let's go to a temple on the first morning, you would have said, oh, I need to sleep. I was late in the evening. I was late at the night. So always remember, there is a doubt associated whenever you think positive, whenever a positive thought comes in your life. So when you have taken the first step, today you have taken the very first step towards learning of Vedic mathematics, which is a game changer, which changes the course of time. Your life changes exactly. So that is the reason I say congratulate yourself, pat yourself, thank yourself that yes, I am able to take this positive step. Deepa, are you able to hear me?
Hi, sir.
Okay. So we just started. So let me introduce myself. So I am Dr. Yogesh Chandra, and I'm an international certified trainer for Vedic mathematics. Apart from being a trainer, I'm also an author. I've written books on learn Vedic mathematics step by step, right? And I'm an educator for the last 25 years. I motivate and help people to grow as an entrepreneurs or edupreneurs, you can say. So today, I'll be training you in some concepts of Vedic mathematics, and tomorrow we'll also learn how to start with your own classes. So yes, Sudeep, like I was talking to you, don't think you are in class 11. Even I'll show you, I will share a video of a student who was in 9th class when she became a certified trainer. Today she's in class, she just cleared 10th class and she's teaching her juniors as well as seniors. She's from Assam. So you'll see that. So first step, the very first step is always the difficult one and which you have already taken, right? So this was the most important step. That is the reason I was saying you congratulate yourself. You can see in the image also, first is the most important, because that is where your entire course of life changes. When you have taken the decision, things will move. You will be able to move step by step. But the first thing was to initiate, to take that decision, to take that step. Yes, I have to do. So first step towards the success. And again, for everyone, not even Sudeep, see, life can change anytime. Don't think I am below age, so I cannot do, or I've already done so much. I'm a teacher, I'm a trainer. Why I should learn something new? I'm not talking about particularly on Vedic maths. No. It is whenever you are going to for something new or constructive, something educative, something which can bring a change in your life or the society, or which could be helpful for someone, or maybe financially, emotionally, or in any way. It can be started any point of time. How many of you know about KFC?
Yes, sir.
So do you know how many
Started at
times?
the age of 60, yeah.
So how
Started
many
at the age
times he failed? See, today we know him because if he would have not attempted again, nobody would have known his name also. We know him because he crossed that failures and then attempted to make it a success. Right? Everybody counts success, but success is not that it will come overnight. You have to work on it. You have to go through the hurdles. You have to go through the failures. And thereafter, you can get that success for which you have been longing. Donald Trump, a very good example, at the age of 72 years, where generally people retire, where they think, no, I should not do anything now. I have worked entire life. I should take rest. And what he was doing, he became the president of the most powerful nation of the world, America, at the age of 70 plus. Can you think? You might have seen so many people around you. What are they doing at the age of 70? And look, at the age of 70, both these people, what they are doing, right? So age is just a number, or any factor, any emotion, whatever is stopping you, that is just a hurdle. You have to win yourself, right? So taking the first step was a success. Now let us start. So let me start the workshop with the first adhyay of Bhagavad Gita. Now what does it say? Now Bhagavad Gita, sorry, there is power gone, so might be my screen has become dull. Now what does Bhagavad Gita says, or what is expected from us is we should be confident and motivated all the time. Does it happen?
No.
Choti baat par, very small issues. Oh, my mood is not good, so I will not do anything today. I could not talk to her, so I will not do this thing today. Any point, any issue can be there. Any emotional, any financial, anything could be there. But what is expected? Be motivated, be confident. And what happens even during one day, one single day, number of times our mood gets changed. So number of times we get demotivated or we lose our confidence, right? So this is not expected. So Bhagavad Gita says ki we should be, our nature should be confidence throughout the day, or we can say in a lifetime, right? So let us start this journey with confidence, with a new positivity, and with motivation, right? So you not to worry, you are at the right time and right place. eh? So let's start with the journey. Now, so this is what we'll be learning. Will be a day to learn, launch, and lead towards the success. So let's start with Vedic mathematics. Now, how many of you know what is Vedic mathematics? Yes, Sudeep, Puna, Deepa. What is Vedic mathematics? Yes? Sudeep, can you try? Deepa, can you try?
It's an ancient method of solving problems.
Okay, great. Yes, Puna, you were in the Ask Me Now show. So I think we discussed this that time also. What is Vedic mathematics?
Like a mathematical technique where we can solve our solution 10 or 15 times faster than normal mathematics.
Okay. Sudeep, Pooja.
Yes, sir.
What is Vedic mathematics?
I think the reason one is web prep means they were expert in math, so they create a simple and easy way in which our science also lives the easy and technique way.
Okay. Now, let's, before answering this, let's go to the point. Why is it called Vedic mathematics? Why not it is called something else? Why only Vedic mathematics? Yes. Why is it called Vedic mathematics? Anyone? Deepa?
It is from Vedas. 4 Vedas we have.
This is the origin
They are
from
using-
Vedas.
Yes. Perfect. See, Vedic mathematics. Now, Vedic means knowledge. Also, it is believed to be originated from our Vedas. So how many Vedas we have?
4 Vedas.
So we have 4 Vedas. First one, yes, Puna, can you name?
I don't know the all names, Ring Ved or Ajurved, or I think.
Yes, so Rig Veda, Yajur Veda,
Atharvaveda,
Sam Veda,
Veda,
and the
Yeah.
Athar Veda. Now, this
Atharva.
particular subject, it is believed to be originated from our Athar Veda, the Veda which deals with the branches like engineering, mathematics, science, sculpture, medicine, right? So it is believed that, yes, this subject was taken from our Athar Veda. Got it? Why it is called Vedic mathematics? Any question on this?
It is originated from Atharvedas.
Yes. Right. Now, yes. Yes, Deepa, anything you want to say?
No, sir. No.
Okay. Now, but the efforts were done by Jagat Guru Swami Bharti Krishna Tirth Ji. Now, who was he? He was a Shankaracharya of Jagannath Puri. Right. Jagannath Puri is in Odisha, in India. Yes, Puna. It is. So, our Shankaracharya from Jagannath Puri Peeth, Swami Bharti Krishna Tirth Ji Maharaj, he is known as the father of Vedic mathematics, who gave us this subject, right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And he is known as, so he is known as father of Vedic mathematics.
Right.
Now coming to what is Vedic mathematics, a very simple definition, because tomorrow when you'll teach the students, it should be very crisp and smaller. Yes, it is a collection of techniques. Now, techniques means the methodology or
Okay.
formulas. Now, formulas are used in maths. So it is a collection of techniques or formulas / formulas. Now here in Vedic maths, we call these formulas as sutras. So it is a collection of techniques or formulas or sutras which helps to solve our mathematical calculations in an easy and faster way. So Vedic maths is what makes our mathematics easy and faster. Correct?
Yes.
Now, for this, we talked about sutras. So how many sutras do we have? So we have 16 sutras of formulas and 13 sub-sutras or sub-formulas. And with the help of these 29 sutras and sub-sutras, we can solve all the problems in arithmetic, algebra, calculus, conics, trigonometry, geometry, and even organic chemistry.
Oh,
Right. So any question now? Any
Organic-
doubt you have?
how it is like organic chemistry, sir?
And organic chemistry also, there are sutras where we deal with our equations and all. For example, now we can say in physics also. Why I can say physics? See, without pi, you cannot do anything in physics.
Yes.
Right. And you know what
Yes.
is the value of pi?
3.14.
3.14. And if you remember, pi calculation is done almost in every question. Correct?
Yes.
We can also call it as 22/7.
Yes.
Okay. Now, wherever the calculation will come, so we'll get something in the numerator, and every time we have to divide by 7. What do we do? Now, division is always a tedious process because you make a complete tree and you find the answer. But you'll be very shocked to know that whenever you divide any number with 7, the answer after the decimal is always 6 digits. They always remain the same. Only the orientation can change. Now, what do I mean by that? I'll just give you a hint here. Here it's.
I understand.
So if you say 1/7, just give me a second. Let me switch on the. Now this is very. Now, if I say I don't know about others, but yes, when we were doing engineering, we were never taught about this, and we used to spend so much of time finding the value of calculating it. I won't say finding the value, but yes, calculating with pi. Now see the difference. Let me start this. So 22/7, it is 142,857. Exactly.
Okay.
Right. And every time we need not to divide every time, or not even one. Once we know, we can do it. Right. Now see, 1/7. What is this?
This point.
Yes. 1. Okay, once we'll do it. I'll tell you how it is to be done. Yes, Sudeep, this is very important. So point, this becomes 10, 7. So 4, 2,
0.14.
2857. It is right. Just I'm
Yes.
showing how it is. 6. So 7 8s are 56. 4 0 7s are 35. Sorry, I have written 4 0. Yes. So 5 means here it was 5, here it was 7. Now, if you put this 142857 in a clock, 1 4 2 8 5 7. Correct?
Yes.
So this should be the sequence. Now, if it is 2 by 7, you don't need to do complete this. No, just find the first digit. So what is first digit? 2. Yes,
Yes.
7 2s are
Yes.
14. So now the answer is 2857114. 3 by 7. 7 3s are 7 4s are 28. So first is 4. Correct?
4.
Yes, are you getting
Yes.
4 now, Sudeep?
Yes.
Yeah.
Rest is very clear. 2 8.
Eight.
What comes after 4? 2.
2,
Then 8.
8.
2,
Then
That's
5.
right.
Then 7. Then 1.
1, 4.
4 is already there.
But we were never knowing this. And we used to spend all the time, even if we have to find the area of a circle. So it was there pi r square. Even if r was something, we used to calculate every time. We used to divide every time. What is the use? So after decimal, the answer is always this sequence. It is not difficult to learn.
With
Yes.
If
series
you are
of
spending every time this much time, instead of that, remember this. So
Yes,
this
sir.
in Vedic maths it's called as Kevalam Saptam Gunyat. This is a sutra, Kevalam Saptam Gunyat.
What is the meaning of this? Kevalam Saptam. Saptam
Saptam
means
Gunyat.
7.
Yes, only 7 multiplication. Right. Got it? So,
Yes, sir.
we
Yes,
just
sir.
okay. So we'll do so many things. Now, right, so we can do arithmetic, algebra, but yes, widely used. If I talk about what is widely used, so that is arithmetic. Because arithmetic will come everywhere. You need to,
Yeah.
these 4 operations are everywhere. Even now we were doing arithmetic only. Now dividing means an operation of arithmetics. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, it is very important, and then would be algebra. Now, the equations, if we have an equation of 2 power, we, for example, 5x square plus 3x plus 2 multiply by 6x square plus 7x plus 3. So we'll multiply each term with all the 3 of the next. And what happens? 9 terms will be getting. And then we'll segregate, and then in the 4th or 5th step, we'll get the final answer. But here, even in a single line, you'll get the answer without any confusion at all. There is no silly mistakes also. Right, so we'll do. So let's move further. Now, the question arises, why Vedic mathematics? Yes, We already are engaged in so many now. I don't think. Deepa, are you from India right now, or you are putting up in Dubai?
I'm in Dubai, sir, now.
Okay. Now, so this question is for India. This question is not necessary now. Now the point arises: why Vedic mathematics? We already have so many subjects. The child is already burdened with mathematics, discrete mathematics, so many mathematics, sciences, English, language. Then why an additional Vedic mathematics? It's a big question, right?
Yes.
So the answer to it is this particular subject has so many advantages that overrules every such question. And the very first reason behind that is it helps to solve our mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. Can you believe this? 10 to 15 times faster. Yes, anyone?
Yes, sir.
Because whenever you open Google, whenever you open Facebook, Vedic Maths, the first line, it is written, it helps to solve mathematical problems this much time faster. Now my question is something different. Why does it happen? See, we are living in a scientific and internet era. We cannot believe on whatever is said. Yes? So what is
Yes,
the
sir.
logic behind it? Why does our speed increases, or why we are able to solve the questions in lesser time? Yes, Sudeep, Poona,
I-
Pooja, Deepak.
Due to the sutras,
Okay. So due to sutras, we are able to solve it faster. Okay, one thing. Yes, others?
Easy to solve.
Sorry.
Easy to solve.
Okay. Why is it easy?
Because in the maths problem, in the maths formulas is the main thing to solve problems very easily. If you know the sutras, it's very easy to even if we can reduce the steps also. So we
Perfect.
can easily
Good.
come to the solution.
You are coming to the point, and I'll give you today exact words. And
Yes.
please, this particular point you'll not find it. The reasoning you will never find it in the Google also. So try to understand. There are. Yes, Sudeep, you want to say something?
no, sir, I am just listening.
Okay. Now let me give you the reasons. See, there is not even a single reason. There are so many reasons why our speed gets increased. But I'll give you a most prominent one. Very first thing, let me ask you a question. How do you write?
From left to right.
Left to right. How do you read?
Same, left to right.
And when it comes to mathematics, then
From right to left.
this is where our speed gets slower. Now you are sitting at your home or anywhere else, just see in front of you, there might be a cupboard, there might be a building, there might be something. So you will be able to see the things placed on left hand side first and then on the right hand side. It might be in the fraction of seconds, but this is how our eyes behave in coordination with our brain. Because all the time we are doing in the same manner, entire life, everything, reading, writing, everything we do. But only in maths class, we go the reverse way. And that is the reason why our speed gets slower. Now, Vedic mathematics is such a subject where you can move from left to right or right to left, no problems. It gives you flexibility. It gives you the option. And that is one big reason why the speed gets increased. Right? Now, yes, you will see Because we'll think, how will we go from unit, because now we go for unit place, then tens, then 100. So how will we move from 110 and unit? You will see this thing, right? So this is one major reason. Second reason, now what happens when maid is not there, Deepa?
Sorry.
You are able to complete household jobs faster or slower?
It depends on kids.
Okay. Now see, because we are not dependent. When you are not dependent on anyone, then things move faster. Whenever you are dependent on something, so first you'll guide them, then you'll, because at that time you have to guide the maid, do this way. And instead of that, and then you'll watch. Instead of that, you can do it much faster, right? Similarly, in Vedic mathematics, you do the calculations mentally. So that means you are not dependent on paper, neither pen. So when you are not dependent on paper or pen, you're dependent on brain. So that means you'll be able to do much faster. Right? So this is interdependency. So not depending on others will always make you faster. Right?
Can Vedic mathematics do that, sir?
That is what I am saying.
Okay,
Just after 5-10 minutes, we'll be solving the problems. You'll observe this. Because you'll be able to do without pen, without calculator. And then you'll realize, yes, I'm moving more faster.
oh, that would be nice.
Now you will be. Third thing. Now, a simple question for everyone. 576 into 121. What will you do? If I give you this question, what will you do?
Just what we do is we write 576 multiply by 121, and by each unit we do the multiplication and we do the addition at the last. 3 times we do multiplication, and after that 1 time addition.
Okay.
We do
Yes,
like
Sudeep, what will you do?
Yes, sir, that what how we were taught.
Okay,
The same method.
Pooja, Deepa, how will you do?
She's not here. No, Deepa.
Okay, might be disconnected. Okay. I will not answer how it is to be done. You will yourself do it. But you will start visualization. Now, visualization means you'll start visualizing a number. What that number holds. What is that number related to? How that number can be used. Then you will be going for reasoning. And the third will applying the logic. Now, if these 3 things, if you have okay, let me ask her also the same question. Yes, Deepa. Now you're able to hear. If I give you this question, 576 into 121, what will you do? Step 1.
Yeah, same like how we learn, like I multiply everything by 1, after that 2, after that 1.
I am not going to give you answer right now, but we will see how you will attempt after half an hour. I will not tell you. I want your things so that you should feel, yes, I am changing. But I'll just say one thing. here in Vedic maths, we'll visualize the numbers, then we'll find a reason behind it, and then we will apply the proper logic. And this will happen simultaneously. You will not, it will happen on its own.
Okay.
So what is happening if a person, if anyone has these three qualities: visualization, reasoning skills, and enhanced logic, it is not helping only in maths or Vedic mathematics. It is a life-changing process. See, you come across any situation in your life, whatever situation you come across, what you will do, you'll first try to visualize that problem. Oh, how it happened, why it happened. Then you find a reason behind it, right?
Yes.
And then you will apply a proper logic. So this is why it is called as a life-changing process, and that is the reason why number of schools, so many research have been done on this, so many research, and it has been
Yes.
found that students who are taught through Vedic mathematics, they become much smarter. I'm not saying good in maths, I'm saying smarter. Now that is a big difference, because what is required in life, that is why we call it as, it is a journey of transformation from fear of mathematics to confidence in mathematics. And second, you attain a feeling of I can. Now, if you have a feeling, yes, I can, then nothing is impossible in your life. You can do anything and everything, whatever you look for. Yes, Purna?
Yes,
Got it?
sir. Yeah,
Fourth,
I'm listening.
now fourth is when when I am saying that we do calculations mentally, that means some part of your calculation you will be keeping in your intellect. Right? In your mind, you keep calculate, then only you'll be able to calculate. So what
Yes.
happens? Both your right brain and left brain, they get activated. Now, who has got right brain and more right brain active? People who are artistic, arts, drama, music, these people. And left brain who are logically stronger. So in Vedic mathematics, both these brains, they get activated, and with the help of that, the person becomes more sharper and more faster. Right? Got it? So these are the
Yes, sir.
4 basic reasons why our speed gets increased. Any questions before we start for the calculation part? Yes,
Sir, can
Sudeep,
you repeat it again?
which one?
This all I was absent due to my line.
No,
Got it.
don't worry. We'll take each part again when we'll do the solution. So we'll discuss what is there. What did you understand till now?
Just I understood that the Vedic mathematics teach you how to visualize the techniques of
Yes,
to solve the math.
that is sufficient. Now let's start. Let's calculate the things. So the first topic we'll take is, now we are working on the point that it makes our speed faster. So let's take out your paper and pen, and the first topic is multiplication with 11 and its multiples. Yes,
Yes, sir.
written.
Yes, sir.
Now, when I talk about 11, 11 is very magical number. Anything you multiply with 11, the same number is repeated 2
Number
times.
repeated. Yes, sir.
Now, so what does it happen when the numbers are done with, these were single digit numbers. So you were
Yes.
able to do. What about double digit numbers? Have you ever thought of it? Or no?
No.
Now see, I'm giving you a very simple number first. 12. So if 11 is multiplied by 12, what happens? Or if 11 is multiplied by 23, what happens? Yes, what is the answer? 11 into 12. Puna. Sudeep.
132.
132. Now, how did you calculate?
Like same in a regular method.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Sorry. Now see, if 11 is on one side, how we have to calculate? First digit as it is, last digit as it is, in between add the digits.
Okay.
First digit as it is, last digit as it is, in between add the digits. So now you are able to do mentally.
Yes, sir.
How did that 5 came?
Sorry.
How did that the between number 2 and 3?
Okay, I see it again. Switch on your video because you're not attentive right now. 24. Now 2 as it is.
Okay.
What is 2 plus 4?
6.
And 4 as it is.
Oh,
How do you calculate 2, 4, 11, 24, 0, 24, 264? Okay.
oh.
Now, just so that there is no confusion, keep this line. This line is known
It
as
is the 9 to-
balancing line.
If it comes carry, means what we have, what we can.
Will do. That is why now I'm adding balancing line. So first we'll do without carries, then we'll go for carryover also. Don't worry.
Okay.
Everything would be sorted out today. Now, Sudeep, what is 25 into 11? Fast.
275.
What is 26 into 11?
2, 8, and 1.
How 1?
Oh, no.
What is 33 into 11?
3, 6,
3, 6, 3.
34 into 11.
3, 7, and 4.
Purna Kumar.
Yes, sir. I'm listening, sir.
No, you are not answering. 72 into 11.
7, 9,
7, 9, and 2.
80 into 11.
8, 8, 0.
8, 8, 0, and 0. No. 8, 0, and 8, I think.
Yes, 8, 8, 0. Why are you getting confused? See here, left hand side digit, line,
Yes,
left
same.
side plus right side and right hand side. Correct? Or
Yes, sir.
if you don't understand this way, first digit plus second digit and second digit. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, up till now, okay, one more. 54 into 11.
5, 9, and 4.
63 into 11.
6, 9,
6,
3.
9,
6 and 3.
Correct. Now, up till now, we were not having carryovers. Now, see the
Yes.
thing. 36 means 396. Perfect. But when it is 37, now what will happen? So it will be 3 10.
10,
Now
7.
remember one thing. See, one rule. Two important things are to be kept in mind. One, this balancing rhyme. This is very helpful for you. This has no physical importance, but mentally it will support you. Second thing, you should remember one topic we did, place values. So how many digits are allowed on unit place?
One only.
1,
How many digits on tens place?
2,
2.
How to? Can you write 2 digits over here? 1 digit only.
One digit only.
Oh,
At every place value you can have. Now at unit place you have 1, correct? How can you have here 2 digits?
no.
So what will you do? The extra digit you will move further.
That will be added over there.
So that means 3 plus 1 becomes 4. So 407 is your answer.
7.
Now Deepak, your answer has been solved. 67. So that means 6, 13, 7,
And 7.
3,
7, 3, 7.
77.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Sudeep. Is it clear or not now?
Yes, sir, I am getting it.
No, is it clear or not? Getting is something different. Be confident. See, if maths is one thing, but confidence is also another thing which I work on. If you're not confident, then there's no use.
Yes, sir. Now, 2-3 example, after 2-3 example, I can be
Okay.
a bit more confident.
Okay, let's do 2-3 more. 79 into 11.
7, 9, 7, 9, 19, 11, 16, 6, 8, 6, and 9.
Sorry?
8.
8, 6 and is correct answer.
8, 6, and 9.
Now, just tell me one thing. 5 minutes before, how you were doing?
We are multiply like a child.
That is so. I didn't. Now, this is how your mind will start changing. Okay, 82 into 11.
8, 8, 9, 9, 0, and
902.
2.
68 into 11.
6, 7.
748.
Correct. Yes, 7 for it.
Correct. Okay. What is the largest 2-digit number?
99.
Yes, Sudeep. Largest 2-digit.
99.
Yes, sir.
So what is 99 into 11?
9, 10,
1. Oh, sorry.
9, 18,
9,
9, 10,
18,
9,
9. So one goes
10,
here,
8.
1089.
10. Oh, yes.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So any doubt from number 11 to 99? Any question?
No. No.
Yes, now Sudeep.
Yes, sir. I am very confident now.
Puna.
Yeah, sir.
Okay, so let's go for bigger numbers. 1, 2, 3 into 11. So again, first digit as it is, then first and second,
First and second.
will shift. Second and third,
Third.
and then
And
third.
last one, it is
So 1, 3, 5, 3. Now, why I'm making pairs? Because here I have got 2 ones. So first would be 1, then 1 and 2 combination, then 2 and 3 combination, then 3. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Yes, Deepa, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 2, 3, 4. What is the answer? Into 11.
11,
2,
2,
5, 7, 4.
7, 4.
7 and 4.
So, Deepa, you took hardly 1 second to answer this. Now, look, check your calculator. How many seconds you need for calculator?
Thank you,
So,
sir.
who is faster? You or calculator?
Thank you.
Huh? And
Yes,
then
sir,
we
thank you.
use calculator. And particularly you Sudeep, Pune, you in Nepal,
Yeah.
you have allowed calculators.
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
And for such simple calculation also they use calculators.
And the course art of Nepal also.
Huh?
Mathematics. Mathematics are top.
So is it required? Now think.
No, sir.
I'll tell you how much our brain has a capacity and we use. I'll give you today figures. Okay. 3, 4, 5 into 11.
3,
3,
7,
7, 9,
7, 9,
5.
5.
7, 3, 8.
Okay. 3, 8, 9. Now
3, 8, 9.
3, 8, 9. It's come 11.
no
4.
issues.
3,
3, 11,
Oh.
17, 9. See, always
Yes.
remember there will be always carryover of 1. So 4, 2, 7, 9.
8.
Yes, Sudeep.
Yes, sir.
2.
भूल गए बीच में. Stop.
1 second,
Okay.
sir. So 1 minute.
4, 5, 6 into 11.
4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 11, 5, 5, that is 4, 9.
What is the question? 4, 5, 6 into 11.
So can you explain me this one, sir? 3, 8, 9.
Okay. See, first is 3. Then what is 3 plus 8? 11.
11.
Yes.
11.
Then 8 plus 9. 17. Why we are making
Yes.
pairs? Because we have got 2 ones. We are multiply with a pair of 1. So we make pairs.
Okay.
Right. And the last as it is. First and last digits are always as it is. And in between we make the pairs. So 4, 5, 6 into 11.
4, 5,
So
5,
Yes, please.
9.
Yes, Deepa.
No. 4, 9,
mm,
4, 10.
4, 9, 11, 6.
9.
So 4, 10 means
Yes.
5, 0. 1, 6.
Okay.
Because this will go here, it will become 10. So, okay, I'll write
Yes.
4. It will become 4, 10, 1, 6. So what is that? 6 as it is, 1 as it is. This will go here, 5, 0, 1, 6.
okay.
नहीं समझ आया? Yes, Sudeep,
Yes, sir.
got it or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Let's do
Okay.
4, 5 examples.
8, 7, 5.
8, 7, 5, 16, 15, 5, 9, 5, 7, 5, 6, 9, 6.
You can use paper pen.
2.
It is the first day, so don't
Okay.
worry. But you should not go wrong.
8,
9,
16,
8,
Five,
6, 2, 5. See, sorry, 9,
9,
6, 2,
6,
8, 15,
9, 7, 1.
12, 5.
12.
So 9, 6, 2, 5.
2, 5.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Done or not?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir. Give some more examples, sir.
Don't worry. 784.
7, 8, 16, 4, 10, 12, 4.
8624.
8624.
7, 2, 4.
Yes, because see, always remember there is always a carryover.
8624.
7, 2, 4, I think.
8624.
So 7, 15, 12, 4. So 1, 1, 8, 6, 2, 4. Perfect.
Yes. Yes, sir. Mm.
9, 17, 8,
Oh, it comes
12.
10, 8.
1024.
10, 8, 2,
How
4.
10, 8,
1024. 1024.
9, 17, 12, 4.
1024.
So 10824.
Yeah.
0824. Yes.
You just understand that we will always have a carryover of 1, not more than that.
Mm.
So if you pay attention, we'll be able to solve that. If there is no carryover more than 1, because the maximum digit could be 99.
Yes, sir.
Got it or not?
Yes, sir, we got it. Or I think I got it.
Okay. So what is the largest 3-digit number?
999.
What is
999.
999 into 11?
9, 9, 9, 9, 18, 10. 10, 9.
10989.
989.
10989.
Okay.
So how simply you are able to do it? Much faster than a calculator.
Yes, sir.
I'll give you today the capacity of calculator also. GB, your mind also. So 3 digits done. Okay. Let's go for 4 digits then. 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. Now
1 point.
136. 136.
1354.
74.
No,
1
13.
as it is, then 3,
4.
1,
then 5,
135.
then 7, then 4.
135.
Okay.
74.
First is 1, then first is 1 and 2, 3, then 2 and 3, then 3 and 4, and then last. Now
Yes,
you
sir.
have to. Is it clear now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So what is 4321 into 11? Opposite of this.
4, 4, 7,
4, 7,
5,
5,
3, 1.
5,
4,
3,
7, 5, 3, 1.
Got it? 4,
Yes,
7,
sir.
5, 3, 1. Okay. 3, 4, 5, 6 into 11.
3, 7, 9.
7,
7,
9, and
No, 3, 7.
9, 10,
The last would be always having a carryover, so
1, 6.
you have to be careful.
11 means
3, 4, 5, 7, 9. Carry
3,
1 here.
8, 0,
38016.
6. 38016.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. 7 1 8 no 1 6
19,679.
19,679.
8 9
Got it?
yes sir
Chalo. Again, okay, let's do some practice then. 9876 into 11.
9 9 8 16 18 17 17 8 7 15 6 7 11 6 10 8
108636.
108,636.
Yes, Sudeep.
yes sir I'm doing my copy sir
Okay, so what is the largest four-digit number?
9999.
9 9
What is
9 9
999 into 11?
9 9 9 15
109989.
109989.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
So up till four-digit numbers, any doubt now left? Now, generally, I used to ask question this: what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? So what is that? No pen, verbal.
1 3
1 3 1
1
3 5
5
7 5
9
7 9 9
9
5.
5
3, 5, 7, 9, 5. So see, now you are able to do five-digit multiplication with 11. If it is not having a carryover, then you're doing mentally within seconds.
Yeah.
Yes,
So
sir.
today give this example to your children or your friends or anybody, and they'll be shocked like anything. 1,
Yes,
3,
sir.
5, 7, 9, 5. Done? Any questions now? So
No,
five
sir.
digits you can do more. Let's do 2, 3 questions. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 into 11. Do it.
5 6 11 1 2 6 2 7 6 15 3 16
6 6
6 6 1
6 2
4
4
6
6
7 9.
7 9.
6, 2, 4, 6, 7, 9.
Yes, sir.
6 2. Yeah, 6 2
Yes, Sudeep,
4
got
6
the
7
answer?
9.
yes sir 6 2 4 7 6 and 9
So now see how fast you have become without the help of calculator. Right?
yes sir
So last also, let's do 9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
9
Now what is the answer?
One zero eight six three five.
8
3, 5 तो नहीं होना चाहिए, 11 आता है लास्ट में.
1086 415.
Yes.
1086415.
See, it is 17, 15, 13, 11, 5.
And
One to aega. Deepa.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now any doubt? Any questions? Up till 5 digits, and thereafter the pattern remains the same. So you can try any big digit.
Yeah,
Got it?
sir,
Now,
it's multiplied by 11. If we multiply with other number, the sutra will be the same or the different.
Wait,
Yeah.
we cannot learn all ABC as well as sentence making as well as letter writing, everything on the first moment.
Yes, sir.
Just want to know.
I'll give you. Now, what were the main observations? Okay, what was the topic? Yes, Poona, what was the topic?
Topic multiplication.
Multiplication
From,
with what?
11 and its multiples.
Multiplication with 11 with
Okay,
digit.
the topic was multiplication with 11, correct?
Yes.
Yeah, and
Yes,
its
sir.
Just tell me,
multiples.
where did you multiply?
Yeah,
Adding
we haven't multiplied
and
with
multiplication,
11.
Where
actually.
did you multiply?
We haven't
Here-
multiplied 11.
See, when a child goes to class second,
Yeah.
and the first thing that teaches 2 into 3 is 6. Now student does not understand what is multiplication. So they say 2 is also 6. Means repetitive addition is also called multiplication. Yes?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
But did you, when I gave you 11 into 12, did you add it 11 times?
No,
Okay.
Then
it
what
will
we
be
did,
different.
see, if you fail to observe, it was we added corresponding digits only.
Yeah.
Only corresponding, not even in
Digits.
between. We added corresponding digits only. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So this is the biggest observation if you can, we did. Right, what next? What else we did it? Yes, what one thing more we did? One major change, one major important thing we did.
Like
I'm giving you so
we
many
solve
hints.
faster.
Huh?
We have solved the problem faster.
We take the it is part by part we take.
Okay. Yes, Sudeep.
Yes, sir. I am thinking what you
Think.
what we thought.
30 seconds more given. Tell me now.
Okay, sir. Step steps calculation multiplication.
Okay.
Adding,
And
calculating.
that's all. Finish. So let me disclose, for the first time in your life, you did right to left multiplication.
Yes, sir.
You did maths from right to left. If you don't agree to me,
Oh,
solve this question 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again mentally and solve now from left hand side, right hand side.
5, 3, 9.
Multiplication.
yes.
From right to left. 5, 9, 7,
9.
6, 3, 1.
Okay. And so which is more faster now? From your side, left to right or right to left?
Left to
Right.
right.
Left to right.
You did it for the first time in your life. See, entire life we have been doing right to left. Still, for the first time what we did, we are much faster in that. So if we practice on that, how much faster we can be?
Okay.
Got the point? See, because our brain is working like that only. Everything we are doing that way only. Only this math we were not doing from this side. Clear?
Yes, sir.
The very first thing is we added the corresponding digits, not repetitive addition, also no multiplication. And this is the magic. We were asked to do multiplication and we just added corresponding numbers. Second, we did it from left to right, which was the first time, right? Okay, coming back to the screen. So this was left hand side digit, add the digits, and right hand side digit. 37 into 11, 3, 10, 7. Okay, you will be getting the notes. I'll be sharing you with the group where there are notes. You'll be doing the homework and submitting also there itself, right?
Okay.
Okay.
Example 2, 6, 7, right? Now it is clear. Now,
Yes, sir.
now one part is still left, so let's do that also. Now, so any doubt is there before we go for a test? You have a test now.
No doubt, sir.
No, no.
Can we take a test?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can we call pen and copy?
Yes, you can use now. 1, 4, 1 into 22. Solve.
2, 4. 2.
Solve.
Three.
Yes, what happened?
3102.
How did you solve, Deepa?
Same, sir, regular method. But I tried to do it this method, but it won't come.
Okay. Yes, Poorna? Sudeep,
Yeah.
how did you try? What is your approach now?
Sir, no, it was, I thought didn't do.
That means you are not paying attention. Is it not 2 into 11?
Oh.
So what is this?
Yes,
282 into 11. What is that? 3102. Finish.
Yeah.
You have to pay
Yes, sir.
attention now. This is visualization.
Oh.
What is 22? Multiple of 11.
Yes,
Okay. You might have
Now get the idea. Yeah.
sometime we do like this also. 141 into 11 into 2. This is also correct. One can say.
Yeah.
So 1551 into 2. 3102. But which is more better? Which is better in these two?
Yeah, 2 into 11.
Both
Sorry? First or second?
The first one,
Why? And why
because
second?
we have the sutras of by multiplying with 11.
Okay.
Because we can
Now-
use that formula.
Now
which we have
see,
taught.
if for an example, instead of this 22, it was 99, let's say. So
9
here it
into
would have been
11.
141 into 9. And
It will be
here also 9. So which is easy to solve? 141 into 9 or 1551 into 9?
141 into 9.
141
Because
into
it
9.
is smaller. So always
Smaller.
remember, when you are supposed to multiply with multiples, first solve with the multiplier and then with the 11. Because 11, any big digit number comes, you can solve it much faster.
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Or still
Yes,
any
sir.
doubt?
Yes.
No.
Okay, 67 into 33. Yes.
Two,
Fast.
100,
2001.
2001.
2001.
Two,
How? What is 67
two,
into 3?
two.
201.
What is,
201.
Two.
if you multiply by 11? 2. 2 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 1 is 1.
Oh. 2, 2, 2, 1, 1.
Okay. You're not paying attention. Una? Yes, Sudeep. What happened?
Yes, sir.
Kya ho
Yeah,
gaya?
2, 1, 2, 1.
It's our first
2,
try,
1.
no? So, we need to take a bit time to change our mentality.
576 into 121. Now how will you solve?
Winning.
576. We can make it 11, 11, no, sir.
So 576 into 11 into 11.
11.
That
11,
means
11.
6336 into 11. That means 69696. So Deepa,
Yes, sir.
this answer you did not give initially.
Sorry, sir.
This answer you did not give initially. Initially you said we'll multiply in the normal way.
Yes, sir.
So now what happened?
Yes,
You
sir.
got it. Now you visualize that yes, this is multiple of 11. You found a reason. Yes, it is multiple of 11. I can do 11 into 11, and then you apply the logic.
Yes, sir.
This is how your things will work. Every number has a unique property in Vedic math, in maths. In fact, it is, we never thought of it.
Yes,
We
yes.
never thought of it. And when we'll start visualizing that, our speed will automatically increase, because in some numbers will have nothing to do.
Yes, sir.
And one more simple example, if you have to multiply something with 5, let's say 87 only. No, it's a bit difficult. But if I think 2 and divide by 2, then it is very easy. 870 divided by 2. So
Yes.
point is, you have to think. Once you start visualizing, everything would be sorted out. Any doubt now?
No, sir.
Yes, Sudeep.
No, sir.
Okay.
I just,
So now we started with.
can you tell me some visualizing techniques?
Sorry.
Can you tell me the 1-2 point of visualization, how to visualize in math, that kind?
Today you do this homework. If you do the homework
Okay.
completely, you will be done. But
Okay,
see,
sir.
the steps are, see now, right now we solved around more than 80 questions, and we'll solve more also. If you'll answer, if you'll try, then you'll get it. And for the homework also, I'll be giving you 100 questions. I'll give you
Okay, sir.
exercises. So you have to sort it out.
Okay.
Right? The notes you'll be downloading, there also exercises are given. Okay, now we started with a 2-digit number, 23 into 11. Then we did 123 also into 11. Then we did 1, 2, 3, 4 into 11. Then we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. Now, is it obvious that here numbers will increase and here it will remain constant? What will happen if it is 1, 2, 3 into 111? Or 1, 2, 3 into 4 times 1 into 5 times 1. You should know everything. Correct? I'll give you. Now see, 1, 2, 3 into double 1 first. So we did 1,
1,
3,
3,
5.
5,
and 3.
Now, basically we were doing first, then 1 plus 2, then 2 plus 3, and then 3, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, and I told you pairs because there were 2 ones. Now here it is 3 ones. So that
Three.
means
One.
you can go for triplet also. So first is 1, then 1
1
plus 2.
plus
Now, this is done, this is done. Now I can have a triplet also. That is 1, 2, 3.
Plus 3.
Okay.
Plus 2
Once
plus
I reach
3.
the maximum, then move towards the right hand side. 2 and 3. And the last 3. So 1, 3, 6, 5, 3. See, this is the difference. Extra 5 has been added. Extra 6 has been added. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Deepa?
Yes, sir.
See, earlier it was 2 ones. So maximum capacity was a double cup, a pair. But now the maximum capacity is 3 digits. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So solve one more then. 1, 4, 5, 6 into triple one.
1, 4, 5. 1, 5. 1, 6.
See, write down. It cannot be done verbally right now.
Okay. Six. 1, 6, 9. Um, 170716. Is it right?
1, 5, 10.
5, 10.
Right. First done, second, third done. Now what will we do? We will shift. So 4 plus 5 plus 6. So what is that?
Okay.
That is 16.
Why 16? 15.
16.
No, you cannot include 1. See, we will have first 1, then we'll have 1 and 4, then 1, 4, 5. Now this is your maximum capacity. So once this is done, what do? You move towards the right hand side. So 4, 5, and 6. Then 5 and 6.
Okay.
Then 6.
Okay.
I'm confused. Okay, sir. Is
1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6.
1 plus 2,
1, 6.
then 6. Okay, sir. I'm confused. Sir.
Can you explain this again, sir?
Okay. First, do some practice of 3 digit only. You'll come.
Yeah.
Solve this.
4.
1, 6, 1, 6, 1, 6. It's complete. Four, five, six, 2. Is it 50616?
4, 9, 11 plus 4, 15, and
15?
then 11, then 6. Correct?
And
What
6
will happen? This will
Yes,
go
sir.
here. This will be here. So 5,
and
5,
6,
10,
1,
616.
50616. Yes, sir.
Now
Now
it is
I got.
correct. Okay. Now
sir.
what I did, I added one more digit. So see here you are doing 4 first, then 4 and 5,
4.
then 4, 5, 6. What
Six.
happens there after this? This finish. So but
5.
so why what is 5, 6? That means you're moving towards the right hand side. Then 6. Now what will happen
Yes.
here? First 1, then
1,
1, 4,
1, 4.
then 1,
4,
4 and 5.
4, 5.
Now what will happen? Now you have reached the maximum. What will we do?
1, 4, 5, 6.
How you can have all 4 together? We cannot. Our capacity is 111 only.
We only.
oh,
Yes.
Now with 4.
That if as per you, Deepa, then why didn't you multiply all this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11? Why were you shifting 1, 1, 2, then 2, 3, then 3, 4, then 4, 5, then 5? So at that time you should have changed.
No.
See, what is the capacity? Maximum is 3. So after
Yes.
1, 4, 5, it will move 4, 5, 6. Then the same thing. Now last
Yes,
is
sir.
done. Then 4, 5, 6, then 6.
6 and add the 6.
Now you understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 3, 8, 3, 5, 6, 5, 7 into 111.
1.
No need to answer. Fine, give me the answer first. Just understand what combinations would be there.
First 8, after that 8, 5, 8, 3, 5, 5, 3, 7, 5 and 7 and 7.
But that's all. So first would be 8, then 8,
8.
3, then 8, 3, 5.
Yes.
Then now maximum has been reached. Then 3, 5,
5,
7.
7.
Then
Then
5,
7.
7. Then 7.
7 and 7.
You can do like this. You can, if you can understand by this way better, you can do by this way also. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. If I add one more here, then
First of all 3, 3,
yes, second,
3,
3, 3, 8,
then
8,
3, 8, 3,
3,
10,
3,
8, 3,
8, 3, 5.
8,
then
55,
3, 5,
8,
7,
3, 5, 7.
then
5 and
7.
7,
then
7.
7.
see done. Now you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. I add one more. Now
Now 3, 3, 8, 3, 3, 8,
3, 8,
8,
3, 3, 8,
5,
3, 8, 3,
then
8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5,
then
3, 5, 7,
3, 5, 7,
then
5, 7, 4,
5, 7, 5, 7, 4,
then
7, 4.
7,
7,
4,
4,
and 4.
and 4.
so now everything is clear.
Yes, sir.
I think by this method you understand more. So you can go by this. Yes, Purna Kumar,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sir,
you
clear.
got it or not?
Yes, sir.
It does not seem. Okay. Now 12 into 111. Now what you'll do?
12 into 111.
Yes.
1, 1, 3, 1, 3,
Again,
3
like
and 2.
मुझे नहीं पता.
1, 3 and 2.
So very first thing, here it is 3 digits. Here I have 2 digits only. So is it possible?
no.
So what should I do?
Okay. That 3, 1, 1, we can make it as 11 into 11.
11.
7 into 11 is 121.
Sorry, 11 into 12.
So instead of that, can I not put 0 here?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now it is. So 0, 0, 1,
0,
0,
0, 1,
0,
1,
1,
2,
0, 1, 2,
1, 2,
1,
2.
2.
So 1,
1.
3, 3, 2.
oh,
See, always remember this is the way to back. What happened, phone commas? Edit.
Yes.
See, you have to see what is more comfortable. I have to have 3 digits. So just add 0.
Yes.
Yeah, it's clear, sir.
This way you have to keep your brain open every time. Now, any doubt? Okay.
3, 6, 7, 8.
Good.
3, 3, 6.
Solve
9, 9.
completely. Now you know how to do it. So now you can solve it completely.
Four, 8, 2, 5, 8.
4.
8.
Check 40. It should come 408. Something you're missing.
9, 10,
3.
4.
3 plus 6 is 9. 3, 6, 7.
4,
16.
1, 7.
3,
4, 0,
9,
8,
16.
2, 5, 8.
Then
Sir.
15 and 6, 41. Then 15. Then 8. So this goes here, this goes here, this goes here. 8, 5,
0, 8, 2,
2,
5, 8.
8, 0, 4.
It's a 1, 9. It's a
What is missing?
it's 1, 9.
Nine.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just try 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. into 111.
One three seven zero two nine five.
3 9
1, 3,
1,
6,
3
1, 6,
10, 9,
9 12
10,
12
10,
9 5.
9, then
9
Answer is
5.
one
this
three
will
seven
go
zero two
here,
nine five.
10. So this is 1, 3, 7, 0,
0
2,
2
9, 5. Any doubt now?
No,
Sir.
sir.
Perfect.
and I fell down in
Sorry,
carrying over. I fell down for the carrying over. Please tell me that also again.
very good. Don't worry. See, 11, you're in 11th standard. So for class 1 to 11, you have been doing with the other method. So you will take time. 1 hour, 2 hours you might take. Okay.
Yes.
Now again, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 4 times 1. Now what is there? Now the maximum capacity is 4 digits. So what to do? 2 and 3.
2
3
2 3
2 3 4
4,
2
2 3
3
4
4
5
4, 5. Then 3, 4, 5. Then 4,
3
5.
4
Then 5.
4 4 5 and 5.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt now? So yes, give me the answer of this first.
2 5
4, 2, 3, 5, 10, 4, 5, 6, 5, 9.
2605295.
2605 295. Correct.
295.
Yes, Sudeep.
Yes, sir, I am doing that in my papers.
Fast, fast, fast.
5, 11, 14, 3,
Purna, you are
Yeah,
tired,
sir.
exhausted.
13, 6,
No, I am suffering from fever also. That is why I am attending the class also.
2, 6, 0, 5, 3, 5. No,
कितने डिजिट्स आने चाहिए चेक करो 7 डिजिट्स तो ये दिखा रहा है
oh,
आपके 6 डिजिट्स कैसे आ जाएंगे सो 2 6 0 5 2 9 5 Sudeep, for you, right?
yes, sir.
1 2 3 4 5 into 4 times 1. I'm coming. I'll just
1, 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
1371539.
Chalo. So any doubt now?
Go,
Now
sir.
you understand the concept, how pairing has to be done, how things have to be changed. Acha, don't one thing more. Puna, if it is 2 to 2 here, then first multiply by 2 and then by, got it? Or if it
Just
is
do
4,
into
4, 4, 4.
4 multiplied by
Yes.
1, 1, 1.
1, 1.
Got it? Any doubts
Yeah.
now? Okay, so do you find change in your speed or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Okay, good. That should be there. Okay, okay. So let me check again. So let's come back to. So this was what we started with. Okay. We did 576 into 121, right? Now, so we were actually adding the corresponding digits and not multiplying, and we were calculating from left to right, a very big drastic change in our life. Second thing, now the second advantage. See, we were talking about what topic we started, uses of Vedic mathematics or the advantages of Vedic mathematics, or why Vedic maths should be learned. Why? What is the necessity? So we said, yes, it has got so many advantages. That is the reason we should learn Vedic mathematics. And the first reason we gave, that it increases our speed from 10 to 15 times faster. Yes, now it is done or not. You agree to it?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the second thing is tables. So how many of you know tables?
Yeah.
Yes,
You know the
Deepa.
table.
Yes, sir.
I know
89
up to
का
12
table
only.
कितनी देर में लिखेंगे? How much
Only when we are in school, only.
And
After
at that
that,
time also you had the fear of mathematics, fear of tables. You
Yes.
know, when does fear starts? It starts with tables only.
Yes, sir.
Why it starts from tables? Because see, you are getting confused. Now, your mother, your teacher, your father, everybody says, understand the topic, learn the topic, and then do it. And your maths teacher, he or she asks, cram the table of 41, cram the table of 48, cram. Now, a child gets confused whether I have to learn it or whether I have to understand or whether I have to cram, because it's very difficult to learn all the tables. How is it possible? And this is a biggest fear factor in mathematics. Every child has it, every teacher has it. Even after they become a teacher, then also if you ask them the same question. See, every day I talk to around 100 plus teachers. And out of that, 99 says, I cannot write. Or they say it will take 5 to 10 minutes. And you know,
Yes.
our Vedic math student, they can write within 10 seconds. Can you believe 10 minutes versus 10 seconds? So do you want to write in 10 minutes or 10 seconds?
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Today that could be done. So that is the biggest burden on any child, because tables are the base of any calculation. Tables means multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Everything is related to this. And we have made this so much tough, so much complicated that they often find difficulty in this. So again, take out your paper and pen and we'll start again the calculation part. Now see,
In
till
my
now,
childhood, I was if they're asking 9 table, if they count means it is difficult. But what I'll do, I can write fast. Like means 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are like I add 9 to 2 times. like everyone knows now. Like that I was doing in my childhood time.
I agree.
So writing
9
is
plus 9,
much easier.
9 plus 9, then 9, then so every time you are making a
Yes, sir.
carryover also.
Same.
Na? 17 plus 1 carryover.
Yes, sir. But
This is known as multiple carryovers
yes.
in the same question. Right. Today I'll give you a very clear, simple method.
Yes, sir.
So what happens now? For 9, it was okay. What about 87? That means you'll say, because 87 you cannot learn. 87 ones are 87. Thereafter we'll start adding only. 4.
Again adding. Yes.
Up till here done. After that, again, if you ask somebody to
Yes.
add, this is
Yes, sir.
really
I was
tough.
doing this.
So that's what repetitive addition. I'll give you a very simple method today, and you'll bang your head. Why the teachers didn't teach us this? This happened with number of
Yes,
when I am teaching this. Initially, Haryana government teachers were not ready to accept it. They said, "Why should we learn a new method when they
Yes.
learned this?" Now they are teaching this in their schools. Right now, see.
That's great. Yes, sir.
Now to understand the tables, we have 2 methods. One is for numbers ending with 9. Very simple concept. So what are the numbers ending with 9? 9, 19,
9,
29,
19, 29,
39,
39,
49,
49,
89. I
89,
asked you, we'll do it.
89, 89,
109, 111, 119, anything, 449.
Any,
So one thing is this. Second is all the numbers, all 2, 3, 4, 5 digit numbers. So today we'll do all the things. So yes, your answer, now you keep on adding. So for 89, you'll take around 5 minutes then? Or less?
Yeah.
Yes, Poorna?
Yes, sir.
It takes time, sir.
Sudeep, where have you gone?
Yes, sir. I am here. I am just confused in 4 number digits.
Oh, we'll do it. Don't worry. Don't get confused now. Come to the current topic. You can see the recording. You'll get everything. Right. Now tell me,
Okay.
Sudeep, how much time to write a table of 89?
Just 5 or 10 minutes sir, for me.
Okay. Now see within seconds. What is this?
The
Is
play,
it
cross play.
TikTok.
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 Yes, Sudeep.
Yes, sir.
We don't have to play. Don't worry.
Okay.
But yes, when you are teaching to the kids, you have to make them involved in the topic. You have to bring them back to the screen. Okay. So first thing is write down. We'll start from the rightmost corner, come to the middle page, middle line, and come to the top. Please write down till here.
Done, sir.
Yes, Sudeep, done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first number I take, suppose 19. Now, okay, let me write 19 here also. Now, here we will apply our first sutra of Vedic mathematics, that is known as Ekadhikena. Ekadhikena Purvena. Now, what does that mean? It means add 1 to the previous number. Whatever is the number, add 1 to it. This is the simple as that. So what we'll do, we'll observe whatever number we have before 9. Here, what we have before 9?
1.
1. If it was 79, then what was the number before 9? 7. If it was 119, then the number before 9 was 11. Correct? We have to observe. And what we have to do, we have to add 1 to this. So what is 1 plus 1?
2.
What is 7 plus 1? 8. 11
Eight.
plus 1? 12. Correct. Now here we are
Yes, sir.
talking about 19, so 2. This 2 would be added to this 1 and then to all the corresponding numbers. And we will go down like this, the reverse way. 1 plus 2 is?
3.
3.
3 plus 2 is?
3
3
plus 2,
plus
5.
2.
5.
5 plus
5.
2.
7.
7 plus 2.
7.
9.
9 plus
9.
2.
11.
11 plus
11.
2.
13.
15.
Okay,
17.
sir.
15.
So what is this?
Table of 19.
Sleeping. Get up. So what is this? Table of 19. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 19 fours are 76, 19 fives are 95, 6 are 114, 7 133, 8 152, 171, and 19 means okay. Clear? Okay, one more example. 39. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3. So now 3 plus 1 is 4. What is 3 plus 4? 7. 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 4 is 15.
15.
15 plus 4, 19. 23, 27, 31, 35, 39. So just to check, yes, 39 matches. So this is the table of 39. How many seconds? 8 seconds only.
Oh.
And you were doing 39 plus 39 plus 39 every time. We just did 3 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That's all. Is it clear? Yes, sir. This is Puna. Yes or
Yes.
no?
Yes, it's clear.
Okay, write down 29 fast. Once you have written, just let me know. Yes. 29. Fast.
29, sir.
Yes. Done?
Yes, sir.
So how fast it is now?
So fast. Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, Sudeep. So power bhi aa gaya. Yes, Sudeep.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Done? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now see 89. What we used to say, 10 minutes, 5 minutes.
1.
So 8 plus 9 is 17. 17 plus 9 is 26. 26 plus 9 is 35. 35 plus 9 is 44. 44 plus 9 is 53. 62, 71, 80, 89. Finish. Yes, Puna.
Yes, sir.
You told 5 to 6 minutes. This is 10 seconds.
Yeah.
Yes, Deepa, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What is the name of the sutra? Eka Dim.
Ekadikena Purvena is a sutra which means
Purvena.
one more than the previous. Right. Okay, if it is clear, write the very simplest one, 99.
99.
So you'll add 10 only.
Add 10.
I told you it is the simplest one.
Yes, sir, done.
See the confidence in yourself. See the difference in yourself.
Yes, sir.
Now, it's not only double digit number. Let's say, yes, 129. So that means what I have to add? 13.
1,
Plus 13.
13.
12 plus 1
13.
is 13.
Yeah.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
is 12 plus 13? 25. Then 38.
Plus 13.
Then 51. Correct? Then
Yes, sir.
64. Then, yes, 77.
77.
Then 90. Then
9.
10.
103.
Then
103.
116.
6.
Then 129.
290.
Finish.
Yes, sir.
Clear now? Any doubt in the numbers ending with 9? Try one more simple. 119 try.
119.
119.
Now, first to work on 323 plus.
Done, sir.
Very good. Yes, Sudeep, kahan reh gaye? Where have you gone?
Yes, sir. I am doing, sir.
Clear or not?
Yes, sir. I'm with confusion. I lost the track after that video. That 3 digits, so I cannot be on present. So tell me once again that here.
So now let's move to the next topic.
Sir, can you tell me again this one?
Which one?
This one, this.
129 or 19?
It's okay if 19 and 129, but I
That
got
means
confused here.
we have solved 5 questions. That means you are not present. Switch on your video. See, if you're not sitting in the class, there is no use.
No, sir, I lived there, but whenever I try, got everywhere. Means I got distracted there.
So why you get distracted? We see. Okay. First point this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the number you want? You give me your number.
84.
Huh?
First of all, let's do it. 17.
Then I think you are not listening to us. We are talking about the numbers ending with 9. Is 84 ending with 9?
Okay.
Please switch on your video. Otherwise, this is very difficult because you are not attentive now.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, tell me.
29.
29, we solved it. Okay, 29. So first thing is complete 29 here. Done.
Yes, sir.
Now, what will I add to this 2? 1. So what is 2 plus 1?
3.
2 plus 1.
3, sir. 3.
Bit louder.
Okay, sir.
Wake up if you are sleeping.
No, sir.
Okay. Now this 3 is to be added to this 2 and then thereafter correspondingly. So what is 2 plus 3?
5.
5 plus 3.
5 plus 8.
8 plus 3.
11.
11.
11 plus 3.
Yeah.
14.
13. Oh, no. 14.
So you are in 11th standard. If you don't know 11 plus 3, what should I see?
No,
14 plus
I
3.
got 14 plus 17.
17 plus 3.
20.
20 plus 3.
23.
This is to check. If it comes same digit as first, it is okay. So what is this? 21, 9 ones are 29, 29 twos are 58, 3s are 57, 4s are 116, 5, 145, 6, 174, 8, 204, 9, sorry, 7, 203, 8, 232, 9, 261, and 10, 290. Now is it clear?
Okay. Yes, sir.
Now pay attention to the next topic, then don't keep on learning this. You'll get
Yes, sir.
time to
Yes.
practice today. Tonight you can practice completely. I'll be giving you the homework, right?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay. So now the next topic is any table you come across, any table.
Yeah.
So how, okay, now we learned that to write table of 18, we'll do this way. Then we add
18 to
Yes.
7.
This is how
Yes,
we
sir.
do.
Yes, sir.
Any other method, Sudeep?
No, sir. I don't think. Means I don't
Purna?
see any method.
Purna?
No, sir.
Okay, now
Same
see. So how many of you know the table of 1?
All we know.
Everybody knows.
So if you know the table of 1, why didn't you do it earlier? See, I am writing table of 1 only.
Okay.
So do you know the table of 8?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
16, 24, 32,
40,
48,
48,
56, 64, and 72.
Done. Now I taught you earlier also unit place and tens place. Now see here. Here, unit place also 1 digit, tens place also 1 digit. So it is perfect. 18 as it is. Here,
6.
unit place 6 is there. What happens extra? What you were doing earlier, moving it further. So move it.
Yeah.
3, 4,
54.
move it. 2, move it.
22.
0, move it.
20.
8, move it.
10.
6, move it. 4, 14, 2, 16. Now see, and we kept on asking the students to add 18 every time. Now adding 18 is easy, or adding 2 plus 1, 3 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 5 plus 4. What is easy?
Vedic mathematics is easy.
It's a basic thing. Now here, okay, I agree we use place value as a concept, but is it really difficult what we learned right now?
No, sir.
So why we have not implemented? And this is not in Nepal,
We didn't know about that.
not India. I'm telling you, last year I taught one student from Scotland. He was in class 6. So when I taught him this, he went back to his father and said, What the hell we were taught in the so many years? If we don't know the tables also, yes, that is a hardcore fact. In in Nepal, it is a big problem nowadays. Students are not aware about the tables. So where will we land up to? It's a very small thing. We need to learn this. We need to understand. Yes, Deepa, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So is it easy or difficult now?
Very easy.
And see, so many years gone. We never thought of this idea. It's very simple.
Yes.
Now, let's say 87, a big number. Now, okay, first I'll show you. For example, 12 is there. Now, in case of 12, even first few multiplication, you don't have to do also. See, 2, 3,
2,
4,
3,
5,
4, 5,
6,
6,
7,
7,
8. Okay,
8,
4, 6, 8.
6.
As it is, these answers are there.
Yes.
Yeah.
You have not even added. Here it
Yes,
becomes,
sir.
okay, 6, 0. Here it becomes 7, 2. Here it becomes 8, 4.
8.
See the difference. And we taught this only 12 plus 12, 24. Then we add 12, 36. Why didn't we separate it and do things? Got it?
Is it applied for any number?
Yes, tell me any number. 87.
Any number?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now write the
16,
table again.
14, 21, 24, 32, 28. So 87, 4, 6
174.
goes here, 174, 1 here, 2, 6,
2,
3,
6,
4,
1,
8.
3, 4, 8.
Now you tell me any number. Any big number, any digit number.
Okay. If you want only 2 digit, what about 7?
Only,
Only 7.
no, only, see, what is the minimum eligibility for Vedic maths? Tables up till 8, you should know.
Oh,
You should have knowledge of 2 things. One is tables up till 8, and second, single digit addition. Now addition,
okay. Sir.
you should know. Single digit addition.
Okay. Sir.
Now, suppose this is 986. Yes, we can do 18,
Yes.
27, 36, 45. I'll go for 5 levels only. 16, 24, 32,
32,
40,
12,
12, 18,
18,
24.
24.
Now see, 986 as it is. Now 2 as it is here. If it goes, what it becomes 17?
17,
That means 7 and 1 will further go 19.
19.
8, 5, 27, 4, 4, 13, 9,
37.
0, 3, 49. Sorry, 29. Got it now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Deepa, any number you want?
No, sir, got it.
Now, a question arises. Sometimes teachers, now they say, it's not the tables which come in the school or in the exam. It is like this, 987 into 9. Now, how to do it more efficiently? Now, you do like this, 3, 6, 72, 8, 7, 81,
Yes.
7. Right? But here we do
Yes,
like
sir.
this. 63, 72, 81.
81.
Then second step. Now you'll say you
Yeah.
have taken a one step extra. Yes, but the answers are also visible in front of me. And once answers are in front of me, I'll never go wrong.
Yes.
Yeah, 3.
It's easy
That
to
will be
check
very
also, easy to verify also. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Any doubt now? Any question you have?
No, sir.
Okay. So this was the second advantage. Need not to cram tables, only tables up till 9 or 8.
Hmm.
So this is how we wrote magic. Again, this will your notes you'll be getting. So you can do check all this from the notes you'll be getting.
Yes.
Now, the third advantage or the third use of Vedic mathematics, it reduces scratch work as well as finger counting. Now, what is scratch work? See, I gave you a big number, 9, 8, 7, something into 11. But what you did, you tried to do it mentally or in a one step. Did you require scratch work means rough work?
No, sir.
No.
And what happens in maths paper? We take a sheet specially for rough work only. Here only in the multiplication, I gave you one example of multiplication. I got the answers below a line only so that there is no doubt left. So one thing is Vedic maths, since it is mentally done, so it reduces most of your scratch work, right? Second thing, do you like finger counting? Do you like your child doing finger counting or any child doing like this finger counting?
No, sir.
Now, why does they learn? How does they learn? One is they learn it from each other in the school, in the preschool. But why does it come? Because we are also doing Abacus. Now, tomorrow you have to become a trainer in Vedic mathematics, and the very first question every parent will ask, what is the difference between Abacus and Vedic mathematics? Yes, do you have this same question in your mind? Yes,
Yes,
Sudeep,
sir.
Poona,
Yes, sir.
Deepa.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is a very important question because everybody asks. So,
Yes, definitely.
yeah, see, like this is what is Abacus instrument. Now, I will not say Abacus is not useful or it does not have any advantage. It do have. But when we compare which is better, I'll give you a comparison. Limited scope. Now, in Abacus, you are able to carry out major operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But what after that? Algebra? No. Trigonometry?
No.
No. Geometry? No. So that means we are just dealing with the basics. Whereas in Vedic mathematics, with the help of 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras, we can do the calculations in almost all the things. Be it arithmetic, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, calculus, phonics, and as I told you, organic chemistry, right? So which has more scope? Area of scope is more in Vedic mathematics. Second thing, and Abacus makes a use of a tool. Now it is made with the beads.
Yes.
Now, can you carry a tool every time to the school or an exam center?
No.
Whereas you always carry your brain with you. So which is more convenient, carrying a tool or carrying a brain?
Brain.
Because it will go, right? And now, it is more effective way. Now, if I was carrying a bead today, if I was carrying a Abacus tool today, first thing we would have not been able to do much effectively. right? Because bead, you would have seen the beads, then calculations, and your brain coordination would have been a bit difficult. So Vedic maths becomes more effective way to learn as well as to train others, right?
Yes.
Got it? Second thing,
Yes, sir.
it takes less time. Now, if you talk to the students who are doing Abacus, they take years to learn this arithmetic operations only. Whereas entire Vedic maths can be completed in 3 months. Right? So it depends.
Yes.
Another advantage, it helps to increase concentration. Now, what is concentration? Why parents are more concerned about this? Why they are always doubtful? Mothers have a doubt. Why my child is not able to concentrate? He is working so many times or so many hours a day. Do you think what is the reason behind it? The reason is interest. Do you need your
Interest,
child?
sir. Yeah.
Do you need a child to say to be said yes, go and play the games? They find it themselves interesting because they don't have to give some exam. They don't have to prove themselves every time. Whereas in education, in classes, we have to, in any subject, it is always a competition. It is always a race. They have to prove at every moment, in homework completion to learning to examination, every moment. And if they don't have the interest, how will they have the concentration? Now, Vedic maths, now, okay, when we did tables or when we were doing the calculations with 11, were you not finding something, happiness in yourself, a positive vibes going in your body?
Yes. Yes, sir.
What was that?
Yes, sir.
A positivity. Why? See, we are not, because we were feeling happy from inside. Yes, we are able to do
When
this.
something we achieved. Yeah. Yes, sir.
A feeling of achievement, a feeling of joy, a feeling of positivity.
Yes.
And now if I say you again to do 11, you'll do it because you are excited over it. Same is the case with the students. If they find something excited, games they find excited, so they play every day. If they'll find education interesting, they'll do it every time. And once they start doing education effectively or interestingly, definitely concentration will increase. There is no medicine for concentration. It comes only after repetitive doing. If they repetitively do this with positivity, with that joyous mind, then concentration will definitely come. Otherwise, no. So we need to make parents understand that very first thing is they should generate the interest in the child. Now, when I started with the table, here I have not shown you that figure. So first thing I show to the students is we start with tables in them. And the first thing I show is game. Now they get excited. They start speaking up. That is what is required. That they should participate with you. They should answer to you. Right? When I'll be sharing you this video, in that YouTube channel, there is a video for kids. Please have a look on that of the first 5-10 minutes. You'll realize how kids need to be taught. Right? You have to generate interest in them. And once that interest is generated, concentration will automatically come. Right? Any questions? Yes, Sudeep? Oh,
No, sir.
No, sir.
Another advantage, the fourth advantage, it helps to reduce silly mistakes. Now, what is a silly mistake? Very first thing is we are not doing big calculations. We're doing very small calculations, break calculations, simple calculation, faster calculation, mental calculation. So the chances are reduced. But why are they reduced? You know, the reason is multiple carryovers have gone. For example, if I take 87 only, 87 plus 87, I have to give 2 times there is a carryover. But if I am doing in the other way, only 16 plus 1, no carryover.
Yes.
So there is always reduced carryovers, even in the case of cubing. Now, when you do cube, for example, if I ask you what is 21 cube, so you'll do 21 into 21, that is 441, and then 21 you'll do. But here you'll write 1, 2, 4, 8. Tomorrow we'll do it. And the answer you'll get within seconds without any carryovers or with less carryovers. Another big advantage, big thing, big difference is where do kids get confused? They get confused in subtraction. Because they never understand how, if you take, okay, for example, if 1000 minus 38 is to be done, how, or 380 is to be done, how that you can take 1 and it becomes 9. But here we don't have borrow. Very clear, we don't have borrow in subtraction. We do calculations or we do subtraction with only single line poem, all from 9 and last from 10. And our subtractions are done. Now, this is also based on, if you remember that in early childhood years, that means in preschools, we teach everything. Everything to the child is taught through rhymes, poems, music, dance, same. A poem is there, a rhyme is there, all from 9, last from 10, and the work is done. Right. So no multiple carryovers, no borrow. So do you think now any disadvantages? Yes, Poorna?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Yes, Sudeep, any disadvantages you think?
No, sir. For me, it's very helpful.
For you, it is helpful. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you don't find any disadvantages. Okay, I'll give you 2. Yes, Deepa?
Yes, sir. No, sir.
Okay, the very first disadvantage is you will not require calculators anymore. So you have to keep your calculators in the dustbin or somewhere. Second is your friends would be jealous when you see just today try with them. Try asking them what is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11 and say the answer 1, 3, 5, 7, 5. They will start feeling how you did understand this or how you got it. So jokes apart, there are no disadvantages, right?
Yes.
So what you have to do, so now you believe Vedic maths makes mathematics magical. We started with this term magic. Welcome to the magic world. Now you understand what was magic, how magic.
Yes, sir.
3 situations in life. So they're very important for you also.
Okay, sir.
It's not only now, if you're going for an interview in a school, okay, for a teacher, what qualities or what matters most? Is it just your certificate will give you a job?
No, sir.
No. Now this is not the situation. Maybe you are a gold medalist. Maybe you are the best in academics. That will not help you out. What helps you out is your skills. Are you able to deliver a class? Are you able to handle the students? So practical things play an important role. Similarly, if you're working in a company, you're working day and night, that will not help you out. But if you're not able to present the company in front of in a meeting or presentation skills, then there is nothing can be done. Actually, we all are now salesperson. If you get up early in the morning, you see calls from banks, take a loan, insurance, take insurance. And so many such calls we receive, we call it as salespersons. But who is not a salesperson now? You go for a computer, to buy a computer, you'll get a person, he'll be discussing you with all the configurations of all the computers. He's a salesperson. You go for market to buy some clothes. There you'll be having a person who'll be dealing with this. Now I'm giving you a lecture, I'm giving you a class, I'm a teacher, but at the same time, I'm selling my course. I'm selling my
Yes.
experience, I'm selling my knowledge. So everything every person is a salesperson. What makes a difference is content and delivery. Right. So right content and right delivery are very much important. Before Corona, now we'll be talking about education only. A teacher used to teach in 4 walls. Whatever a teacher used to teach, students used to say yes. Parents used to abide. At the time of PTM, if teacher said your child is not studying, parents used to cane and thrash at the same moment. But now the time has changed. After Corona, if you have got the market worldwide, again, you are being compared also. If I am teaching you right now, you will compare me also with everyone first. Then only you will say, yes, I want to learn from you. Right? So
Yes.
both the things, content and delivery, play a very important role now. So content, I will be sharing you with you, but delivery part, you have to work on it, right? It's not, success will come, but both the factors are important. Now, what is your homework? Very first thing, you need to have a Facebook account. If you have, then create a Facebook page. This is important because tomorrow you'll be learning. One part is how to start your classes, right?
Okay.
Second is Instagram also, and the major thing, homework. Yes, whatever we learned today, that homework you have to do. Correct? Any doubts coming, you can ask me on the WhatsApp. Right? So any questions you have now?
No, sir, no questions.
Yes, Puna?
No, sir.
No questions.
We are finishing. Don't worry.
Uh,
You're feeling
No, I am
exhausted.
suffering. No, I am suffering from head pain. That is why
I got it.
I am not feeling well.
No. Okay. Right. So any questions now? So very shortly, you'll be receiving from me. I'll share you homework. I'll share you notes. I'll share you, and after 2-3 hours, I'll be sharing you the video also. Right. So meet you tomorrow at the same time, 2 o'clock. Right.
Sir, with the same link?
No, I'll be sharing you the new link.
Okay, sir.
Okay, then
Thank you,
bye-bye.
sir. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye,
Thank you
sir.
so much.
Okay, bye.